Hey guys, my name is Leandri from No Informatics. I'll be showing you a quick tutorial video on how to import into Sprout. So we will be importing the invoice number, the GRV number, and then populate the external order number on these two blank lines. So you would press on the import button. Then you would choose your file that you have been working on. Mine would be test, and you would say open. Update invoice, okay. And then here we're going to choose what we want to import. So as you can see already at the invoice number, the GRV number, and the external number, it says import. If you don't want to import, you double click, it would say skip. And if you want to import, you double click and it says import for importation. Then you can say update. There's different also insert and update, insert and delete. Usually just use update, say OK, and the 1989 has been updated. Press OK and then you'll see the invoice number, the GRV number, and the two lines of the external order number has been populated. And that is that. Thanks for watching.